We're starting with a clean line art layer. I'm using a dip pen, hard, to keep the edges sharp. Once the outline is ready, I apply a soft peach base for the skin using the airbrush, normal, to get that smooth, even tone. Don't worry about it being perfect yet. We'll build the depth in the next steps. Now, let's focus on the heart of the eye. I'm filling the iris with a muted blue. To give it texture, I'm switching to a fade watercolor brush to create those natural radial lines. I've added a dark pupil in the center using the felt tip pen, hard, for maximum contrast. Notice how I leave a little room for the highlights later. This is key for a realistic look. To make the eye pop, we need shadows. I'm using a deeper terracotta shade with the airbrush, trapezoid, around the eyelid crease and the inner corner. This adds dimension and makes the eye look recessed into the face. Time for the lashes. I recommend using the mapping pen or a custom lash brush with force fade turned on. This ensures the tips are thin and wispy. Always flick your brush in the direction of growth, shorter near the inner corner, longer toward the outer edge. Finally, my favorite part, the glow. I'm using a pen, fade, set to add or overlay mode for the bright reflections on the iris. For that extra sparkle in the inner corner and lower lid, I'm using the glitter dot or sparkle brush. And there you have it, a soulful, glowing digital eye.